In this video tutorial, we shall see how to exchange block of data, but in this program, we shall be exchanging only the lower nibbles. The higher nibbles will remain as it is. Now let us look at the logic of this program, which is almost similar to the logic we have discussed in exchanging the bytes. Okay. Now the only difference is here we shall use the instruction EC&E. That's it. Instead of exchange, use the instruction EC&E, which will only exchange the lower nibbles. Okay. So once it has been executed, so in the source memory, you will see AB, right? Because the lower nibble A will be replaced by the lower nibble of the destination memory, that is B here. And here, the lower nibble B will be replaced by A. So you will see BA here. You can give any data, right? So this is what is after executing the program, right? The logic and the programs are almost same. So declare a block size of some 5, initialize a pointer to source memory, initialize a pointer to destination memory. Now bring one of the operand to accumulator. Now instead of XCH, we have to do XCHD, A comma at the rate of R1. And after exchange, put back the data to memory location pointed by R0. And this I have to repeat for n number of times. So I'm updating the pointers and I'm repeating this for n number of times. So the repeat will be here. Done. So that's it. So I need 30H and here it should be 40H. Right? Now I need to initialize the data. Now I have given a hexadecimal data here, right? So how to give hexadecimal data here is 0 into AA, right? Same thing you can copy here. But see that at the last you remove the comma, right? And here you can modify and give BB. Right? Now what will happen? Only the lower nibbles will be exchanged. Let us see the program. R2 is initialized with the count. Then R0 is initialized with the starting address of a source memory. R1 is initialized with the starting address of the destination memory. Now if we bring the one of the operand into accumulator, now you can see accumulator contains AA and the memory pointed by R1 contains BB. Now only the lower nibbles will be exchanged, right? So you can see now the destination contains BA and accumulator has got AB. So this AB has to be put back onto the source memory, right? And this process you will repeat it unless your count becomes 0. So at the end you can see your source has AB wherein the lower nibble has been exchanged. Okay, so that's it.